Print current call stack from a method in code. In Python, how can I print the current call stack from within a method for debugging purposes?
Here's an example of getting the stack via the traceback module and printing it. If you really only want to print the stack to stare, you can use or to print to stout, useful if want to keep redirected output together, use. But getting it via traceback.format_stack lets you do whatever you like with it.
Inspect.stack returns the current stack rather than the exception traceback. See this URL for a log_stack utility function.
If you use Python debugger, not only interactive probing of variables, but you can get the call stack with the where command or W. So at the top of your program, then in the code where you want to see what is happening, and you get dropped into a prompt.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.